So hello everyone, I hope that you are all the well. So in this video I'm here with the new very amazing binary trading website script. This is the script where you can control all the trades of the user, like you can control the win and loss of the users as well from admin panel. So this will be the most advanced binary trading script, and now we will see a demo of the script, how website looks like and how you're going to control, and at the end we will completely install the script on our hostinger panel. So be with us and watch this video complete till the end, and make sure that you will like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also press the bell icon for more videos. So viewers, now we have logged into our account. So this will be the user account of the website, and here are the deposit section. So this is the deposit section. You can enable the multiple deposit gateway on the site. So as you can see, this is the deposit section. From here user can add their deposit details from admin panel, and user will deposit in this website. And viewers, now we will see. So this will be the balance of the website. So you can update the user balance from admin panel, and also a user can deposit in website. And here are the pages section, my card section, component sections. So now we will see a dashboard. So this will be the user dashboard of the website, and this is the main wallet of the users, and here is the trading wallet. So you can see the trading wallets and trades. So now we will start our trade over here. So let me, this is the trade section. So this is the live market where we can start our own trade. As you can see, this is the live market. So this is the chart, and here we can add the trade according to us. So I will start my trade, and I will add the trading amount. So after I add the amount, I will trade on up. So now my trade has been start, and it's 1 minute trade. So now we will go to the mine section. So as you can see, our trading wallet is full of $60. So now we will go to the admin panel and see the profit. Here are the profit types. So the trade will go to the absolutely 100% up because I have selected this profit type to the plus. So now we will go to the trading wallet again. So we will wait for it. So viewers, here you can see all the records of your website, and now we will go to the mine section, and here are the some sections. So here are the account information. You can see your account information, KYC status, team section. So from here you can make your own refers by using this refer link. You can also share with your friend by make your referral. The referral commission supports the 3 level, so you can start your own referral commission link on 3 levels. And here are the withdraw section. So you can easily withdraw the amount in your crypto or your any account that you want. This website is completely auto deposit, a binary trading website. So you can withdraw your amount by using these details, by fulfilling these details. So now we'll see admin panel of the website. So this will be the admin panel, basically a backend of the website where you can control all the trades and all the things. And here are the trade settings section. From this section you can set up the trade according to you. And here are the profit type and loss type. You can control the win and loss of the users as well. And here are the running trade section. So you can see all the trades, running trades of the users over here. And viewers, here are the manage user section. So you can control all the user of the sites as well. You can also add and subtract the balance as well. And here are the manage referrals section. So you can generate the number of referrals. So the website contain 3% level commission, so you can generate the number of level according to you. And here are the manage withdrawal method. So you can set up your own withdrawal methods, deposit methods. So website is completely basically a deposit auto deposit website. And you can set up your own new deposit methods over here. And here are the general settings section. So from here you can change the site name, currency, symbol, and anything that you want. And here are the email manager and other things. You can control the you can completely modify the front end of the website from admin panel also. So viewers, now it's time to install the script. So first we will log into our Hostinger panel. So viewers, we have already logged into our Hostinger panel. Now I will go to the public HTML. So after that I'm going to the upload section, and here I will upload my file. So viewers, our file is uploading, so it will take some time. So whenever it's uploaded, we will move to our next procedure. So viewers, our script has been uploaded. So now we will extract the zip file. So our zip file has been extracted. So now we will delete the zip file from this section. And this is a SQL file that we will download. And after that, we will go to the database section and we will create a database. So let's copy the name and paste it here. So now we will go to the files again, and we will save the password in new tab. And here I'm going to core and going to .env. Here we will edit this file. So our domain name is vitc zx dot site. And viewers, we will copy the database name and paste it here. So first we will paste the password, and after that we will go to the database, and here we will copy the name. So viewers, after putting these details, we will save, and now we will go to the management again, and here we will go to PHP my admin, and this is our last step because we will upload the SQL files over here. So go to the import, and here we will go to the browse, and we will select the file that we have downloaded. Now click the import section, and viewers, hope that our script has been successfully installed. So we will check. So viewers, our script has successfully been installed, so it's completely working, and the website is completely ready to use. Now as you can see, we will sit in mobile view, and as you can see, this is the deposit section, trade section, everything is working. Now we will see the admin panel. And viewer, this will be the admin panel of the website. As you can see, this is the admin panel where you can control everything of the website. So viewers, hope that video is useful for you. If you wanna purchase this script, then you can contact us, and if you wanna build a complete website from us, then you can contact us.